Let's consider the situation of a student who has been a bright student throughout his academic journey, who was a school topper, who was a very bright student in college and has been one of the toppers there, who went and did his MS in one of the top 10 universities in the world. When this topper decides to prepare for civil services examination, even he ends up taking 3-4 attempts to clear the examination. A few years back, we saw an example of a gold medalist from IIT Kanpur taking 5 or 6 attempts to eventually crack this examination. What goes wrong when this child has been so bright, so sincere, so hardworking right from the childhood? What goes wrong in civil services examination that this person ends up wasting so many years? The reason lies in how the student was studying during the school days and during college days. See, in school, a student could approach any of the teachers. A student knew, okay, these are the classes that I have to cover. This is the test that I'll have every Monday or Saturday. जिस स्कूल में आप होंगे उसमें अलग सिस्टम होगा. But a student was aware of this. Yeah, these are the classes I have to finish. These are the tests I have to give. In case of doubt, this is where I will go. Similar was the scenario with college. I remember in my 4 years of BTech, I could go to a room of any of the teachers. I could interact with them. I could ask doubts from them. But when the same student comes for civil services examination, the GS Foundation course, when you do it from some big institution, there are 400, 500 students in a single class. It's almost impossible to actually interact with the teacher. And the worst thing happens after this course. After this course, if you are someone who hasn't been able to clear preliminary examination, you become completely haphazard. There is no, like, so far in school you had a systematic plan, in college you had systematic plan, classes, test, mentor, guide, helping you, directing you in the right direction. In civil services preparation, right after foundation, there's almost no direction. Someone tells you join a test series and prepare according to the test series, but it's like you not having access to mentor, you not having access to classes, and just preparing for test in your school. You won't be able to do well in those tests. So to fill this gap where a student is given right focus, right direction, right support, LevelUp IAS is announcing LevelUp Mentorship Program from 1st of September. This will be the third version of the program, or third part of the program. We have already launched 2 batches. This will be the third batch of the program, which would, over the next 11 months, take care of your preparation in a very, very systematic manner. We will handhold you. We will give you daily targets to finish. We will give you weekly targets. We will give you monthly targets. We will ensure that, like school, you are writing tests every week. We will ensure that, like school, you have a teacher, you have a mentor who is hand holding you throughout this process. Whenever you are confused, क्या करें यार अब यहाँ पे? You know, okay, I have a mentor. I'm also available as part of this program as super mentor, who will be available for weekly sessions with students. So LevelUp Mentorship Program will make sure that your civil services preparation is also as short as was your preparation for your school examination or your college examination. We will make sure that everything that you need for your preparation, you depend on us and we take care of it. Okay, so let me take you through the details of the program, what this is. Dekho, the most important part of the program is the personalized guidance and support. Every student will be allocated a mentor. This mentor would be someone who has cleared mains examination multiple times, that is, has appeared in interviews at least. And this, with the help of this mentor, you will have daily reporting mechanism. You will also have weekly meetings. After your test, you can sit with the mentor, have discussions on how to make further improvements. You will have the accountability which is missing when you are preparing at your own for the whole year. Then you will have daily targets, like in the mentorship program, every week we will give you over the next 7 days, these are the things that you have to do. These are the chapters which have to be finished in polity, these are the chapters which have to be finished in economy, this is your revision time, and this will be your test time. You will have everything well planned, provided for you. Then you also would have, through this we would ensure that we are helping you complete the entire syllabus. One another thing that happens with students after completing GS foundation course, if I ask them, if you go through the entire syllabus of UPSC civil services examination, can you say that you know everything in the syllabus? Most of the time that's not the case. Students are not able to say, okay, I have completed everything in the syllabus. We will make sure that as part of this mentorship program, every day you are guided in a way so that you end up completing your entire syllabus. We'll also keep you consistent. How are we going to keep you consistent? If you don't update your mentor for 2-3 days, ki what is going on, the mentor would call you, ki yaar, where is your update? If you don't meet your mentor at least once a week, mentor will give you a call. What's going on? If you do not respond to the mentor's call for 2 weeks, I will come in and I will personally call you. This will keep you consistent, this will keep you accountable. Then in this program we will focus on both prelims and mains, so we will also ensure that there is focus on answer writing skills, there is focus on solving MCQs. We will ensure that you have completed all relevant PYQs for both prelims and mains. You have practiced it. If you are an offline student, you have practiced it in classes. If you are an online student, you will sit at your home and practice it, complete it. We will take care of everything. Let me take you to the general or timeline that we will follow in this mentorship program. What we will do over the next from 1st of September to 31st July, in these 11 months, what are the things that we are going to do in this phase? In the first phase, from 1st of September to 31st December 2025, we want you to be mains ready. And here we will be making sure that each and everything in the main syllabus is completed, that is, every bullet point of the syllabus is completed. We will make sure that every day you're writing 3 to 4 answers. We'll have class discussions on that, so that you will be able to understand whether you are going in the right direction or not. You will be given workbooks where all PYQs would be there. You will be practicing all those PYQs, and you'll also have a test series, that is, every Sunday you will also be writing tests. So this is a phase where, though you'll have both prelims and mains test, आपके prelims के test भी होंगे, but that's not important in this phase. In this phase, we want you to prioritize mains examination. We want to ensure that by 31st December, you say that now I am fully prepared for mains. Mains में there are 5 things that we have to do. One, for everything in the syllabus, we should have notes, we should have revised it, we should have understood that. Second thing, we should have done a lot of answer writing practice. We will make sure that you're writing 500 to 600 answers over the next 4 months. Then you should have updated everything with current affairs. We will make sure that you are doing it. Our current affairs program is also part of your mentorship program, and there we will take care of it. So it would also be done. We would make sure that you are practicing tests. That is, other than writing 3 to 4 answers daily of GS, every Sunday you are writing tests. In this way, we will make sure that your preparation for mains is thorough, complete by 31st December. Though we will keep taking objective tests also, but objective tests abhi in this phase, objective test is primarily for keeping you in the groove, keeping you into the habit of solving MCQs. Abhi, we do not want you to emphasize a lot on prelims preparation. Your prelims preparation will start from the second phase, that is from 1st of January. So in these 3 months, January, February, March, in these 3 months, we will prioritize your prelims preparation. ये हमारा prelims master program वाला phase होगा. In this phase, we will first help you complete every bullet point of the syllabus. Now, देखो, there's one thing. You may say that, sir, I'm already complete with a lot of points here. I'm already complete with a lot of points here. No problem. We do not want you to go through new classes or go through new notes. If you think you are thorough with it, you have completed those things, just keep doing well in the Sunday's test. If you keep doing well in the Sunday's test, we'll keep guiding you. No class is compulsory for you, no notes is compulsory. Okay, so coming back to prelims phase, in prelims phase, we'll again help you complete the entire syllabus. If you're already done with it, no problem. We'll help you complete all the PYQs, practice all the PYQs. We will make you practice around 50 questions daily. So we will take you through something, an initiative, something like this, that from Monday to Friday, every day in the morning, we will solve 50 questions, 50 objective questions. So this will go on for around 60 days. So there are 3000 questions that you will practice within these 90 days every day in the morning. So this is beyond PYQs. PYQs we'll do in class, then we'll solve 50 questions here. Then you'll also continue to have weekly test, which will test you for overall week's preparation. Weekly test, monthly test, those things would continue as it is. Then in this period, Jan to March phase, we want that you should be thorough. Your preparation should be complete. The only thing that should be left with is the current affairs of the month of April. So ye will do in April to May wala phase. We'll do CA updates. Then we'll have prelims test series. Though you have been attempting weekly test here, but here we'll have like open tests which are available for all the students. So here thousands of students will attempt the test, and you will be able to get better understanding of your ranking. Here we also do what something known as RTFQ, revise through 500 question for every syllabus point, or for every subject, history, geography, polity, economy, science, environment. In सबके लिए we solve 500 questions each. Total 3000 questions live with you sitting in class or sitting online. In this way, you will see that everything that you need for your preparation, we are taking care of it. If you are someone who is frightened of practicing MCQs, we are there. If you are someone who thinks that, oh, my content is weak, we are here. If you are someone, sir, I'm always lagging behind in current affairs, we are there. आपको जो भी चाहिए होगा preparation के लिए, we will take care of it. And then after preliminary examination, because by 31st December, you have already completed everything for your mains, you will only need to update it with current affairs, and you will need to write a lot of tests, and you can keep doing it. Meanwhile, your mentor would always be accessible to you. You will be able to continue working under your mentor, continue getting support from the mentor. I will also be personally available for you. I generally would take group sessions. So I'm a super mentor. I'll not be uh, uh, able to promise that I'll meet each and every student every week, but I'm also available for one-on-one sessions when time permits. But every week, either me or Nikhil sir will be coming as super mentor for this batch. So this is other than one personal mentor. Personal mentor से तो आपको one-on-one मिलना ही है हर week. You have to meet your personal mentor once in a week, at least. Other than that, as super mentor, either me or Nikhil sir or some UPSC topper would also keep meeting you every week, taking care of one important dimension of the preparation or any other problems that you may have. Here, personal meetings may also be available based on the uh, availability of the teacher. Then some other things, that the course is commencing from 1st of September. Please make sure that you join it before that only, because we have some uh, shortage of classroom, or we have some shortage of seats in the MMP part of the course, so we won't be able to take a lot of offline students. So if you want to take it as soon as possible. Course duration, like, because LMP is a program which is taking care of mains, your prelims, and then prelims ke baad ka mains phase B, it will be till mains 2026, and it will focus on both mains 2026 and prelims 2026 requirement. Here's the link to the website. You'll also be able to see the link in the description. Here we have other details, like for queries, you can give us a call here, you can come and visit us offline. You can also go to the website and see other details. So if you are someone who has been lost in the preparation, who thinks कि यार मैं तो कितना अच्छा स्टूडेंट था बचपन से, फिर यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, it's because you lack proper guidance. You have lost yourself in this haphazard system, and you need someone to direct you properly so that you can get out of this complex web that you have uh, that you have got yourself stuck in. If you are someone like this, if you feel ki yaar, I need proper guidance, support in a systematic manner for my preparation, you can come and join LevelUp IAS Mentorship Program. I hope to see you all on 1st of September. Thank you very much.